These two huge looking systems that you see in front of me might look similar, but they're engineered to handle entirely different types of simulations. Stick around this video to learn more about our dual GPU flagship workstation platform that features a staggering 192 gigs of VRAM. Clients often come to us with a predefined part list because that is what a typical vendor expects, right? But we have a totally different approach. We step back, we analyze your workflow. What specific solvers are you running, or how large are your data sets, or where is your bottleneck? Like, is it the compute, or is it the memory bandwidth, or maybe it's the storage? We custom engineer every platform according to the user's workflow. So let's see how that process worked out with these two systems. Take our first build as example. One of our long-term partners, Sagar Defense, approached us to run computational fluid dynamics, CFD simulations. So for this platform, we went with the 96-core AMD Threadripper Pro 9995WX. And because CFD datasets are usually massive and must reside entirely in the system memory to solve efficiently, we populated this board with 512 gigabytes of ECC registered DDR5 RAM. Notice the graphic card, it's an RTX Pro 4000. For this specific CFD workflow, the GPU simply handles the viewport rendering and the display tasks. Pouring the budget into a massive high voltage GPU provides no benefit to their solve times. So what we did is, we directed the investment to core count and memory capacity. Our second system is engineered for a multinational conglomerate. Their aerospace simulations demand a totally different approach. They rely on modern heavy solvers that push the computational math directly onto the graphic cards. We kept the same 96-core Threadripper Pro to feed data rapidly, but then adjusted the system memory to 256 gigabytes. This allowed us to allocate the budget and install two high-end Pro 6000 GPUs, giving the client a massive 192 gigabytes of total VRAM. Picking parts is only the first step. Anyone can put together a configuration. But what we mainly focus on is engineering a complete solution. A major element that the broader market overlooks is heat and noise. When you run 96 cores and two professional GPUs at maximum capacity for multiple hours, heat is going to be a biggest hurdle. So what we did is, we integrated high airflow silent fans into both of these platforms for peak efficiency. So it stays cool under maximum sustained loads, while also remaining quiet to sit right next to your desk without compromising your focus. Building a workstation requires matching the architecture to the math, and our hardware experts completely understand where your software thrives. So if you or your team have any hardware requirements, you can reach out to us for consultation using the link in the description below. We will make sure that we create a platform specifically for your environment. Subscribe for more deep dives into professional hardware, and I'll see you in the next one.